Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Lively. Make sure it's the latest version and you run it with normal permissions. Locate the wallpaper file or URL you want to use. Lively accepts MP4, WebM, GIF, JPG, and direct links, and note your display resolution so scaling looks right. Once done, open Lively's main window and click the plus button to begin adding a new wallpaper. This gets you straight into the import flow without extra setup. Now import the file. Either drag and drop into Lively or click Add Wallpaper and choose File, Folder, or URL. After import, pick the target monitor and configure playback options, loop or single play, mute audio if needed, and set an FPS limit to save resources. Next, tweak scaling. Choose Fit for full image, Fill to cover the screen, or Stretch for edge-to-edge. Make sure performance settings, prioritize GPU if you have a dedicated card to keep the desktop fluid. Finish by saving the wallpaper profile and selecting Set as Wallpaper to apply it immediately. Confirm it appears on the intended monitor and lock screen if you use that feature. If performance lags, lower FPS, disable audio, or switch to a lighter format like GIF or a static JPEG to conserve resources. If you see a black screen, update your GPU drivers, run Lively as administrator, or re-import the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.